Wondershare Filmora has made a great and major update in this new Wondershare Filmora 13 with the integration of AI and also ChatGPT in this new Wondershare Filmora 13. Everything has now been centralized. There are so many things you can now do with Wondershare Filmora 13. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the major update that I noticed in Wondershare Filmora 13, which is mind-blowing. Most of you have been asking me, how do I make this circle stuff when I am recording my video? How do I make the circle stuff which I actually make with Wondershare Filmora 13? But now in the screen record section of Wondershare Filmora 13, that is just a very easy thing with a single click. Now apart from that, you can now edit your videos with text. You can import your video in Wondershare Filmora, and Wondershare is going to bring out all the text which is subtitled for that particular video. Now you can edit your video by deleting some text in that video, and Wondershare is going to delete the section of that video where you deleted the text. Now for those of you that are content creators that are always running out of video ideas, Wondershare has come up with a new feature that can give you as many video ideas as possible, no matter the kind of niche that you are. Now with all these mind-blowing features that I've been mentioning in this video, let me tell you the one that excites me the most. I am one of these content creators that are always finding it difficult to get the right title for my video. Apart from the fact that Wondershare Filmora 13 can give you video ideas, Wondershare Filmora 13 can also give you the right title for your video, and I've tested more than 10 titles that are generated with the new Wondershare Filmora 13, and in TubeBuddy and in VidIQ, they are scoring nothing less than 60 to 70% excellent. Now, I've started using Wondershare Filmora for so many years. I am one of the Nigerians that bought the lifetime license of Wondershare Filmora, and I am quite very happy that this update, we are getting it completely for free, but they are no longer selling the lifetime version. Now you can buy it for 6 months or 1 year or whatever. Lifetime version was so many years back, and I never regretted buying the lifetime version. Now I can't keep saying all this without showing you all these features. So we are going to dive right into my system, and I'm going to show you step by step the new features I noticed in Wondershare Filmora 13.